What if robots could walk, balance, and perform real-world tasks entirely on their own? Today, that future just got closer. In a breakthrough moment for robotics, Figure AI has unveiled Helix AO2, a unified neural architecture that enables full-body autonomy in humanoid robots. Helix Zero 2 is a single neural system that controls an entire humanoid robot from pixels to motion, meaning perception, decision-making, and movement are handled end-to-end by one neural network. Unlike earlier systems that separated these stages, Helix Zero 2 merges them, enabling robots to reason, walk, balance, and manipulate objects continuously, without resets or human intervention. In a powerful demonstration, Helix AO2 autonomously unloaded and reloaded a full-sized kitchen dishwasher, walking, turning, grasping, and balancing through a 4-minute sequence of 61 complex actions. This isn't scripted choreography, it's true long-horizon autonomy, where the robot keeps task continuity from start to finish. Helix Zero 2 works through a hierarchical neural architecture. System 2, slow, human-like reasoning, scene understanding, and language processing. System 1, visuomotor control from pixels to full-body motion at 200 Hz. System 0, the new foundation running at 1 kHz for balance, contact, and smooth motion. Together, they form a tightly integrated system from visual input to physical action. With enhanced tactile sensing and palm cameras, Helix Zero 2 can handle delicate tasks that were once unreachable, like unscrewing bottle caps, extracting tiny objects, and even dispensing precise liquid volumes. For decades, humanoid robots struggled with what researchers call loco manipulation, the seamless combination of walking and manipulating. Helix Zero 2 solves it by treating the robot as a whole continuous agent, not separate parts. The era of truly autonomous humanoid robots is dawning, a future where robots help with household chores, industrial tasks, and real-world chores isn't sci-fi. It's unfolding now with Helix Zero 2. What tasks would you want robots to do in your home? Comment below.